channel. My name is Joy, and today I am going to the gorge with my boyfriend, who doesn't want to be on camera, but that's who I'm going with, so I'm not just walking around by myself with a camera. Now we're gonna go drive there, and I'll see you guys when we get there. The waterfall, but it's really pretty. It's really rainy right now, so that's why I have an umbrella. But anyway, yeah, we'll keep walking and I'll show you guys more. Sorry. That was awkward. That was really awkward. Like the bridge that's all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's closed for public safety because it's really rainy right now and it's kind of cold, so they don't want anybody to fall or get hurt. So unfortunately I can't go up there, but you guys can still enjoy the rest of what I'm gonna do. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty, and that's where it's blocked off. Right there is the sign. Oh, right there. And it's a trail that goes all the way up there to the bridge. And yeah, it's super nice. So since Waterfalls didn't work very well, meaning it was just closed off, we are going to head to Bridal Veil Falls, which is 18 minutes from here. So that's what we're doing. We're leaving Waterfalls right now to head over there. Okay guys, so we just got to Bridal Veil, like the location, but there's a sign here that says 2/3 mile to get to the actual waterfall. So we're gonna walk down there and we'll check it out. Wow guys, it is so pretty here. We haven't made it to the waterfall yet. This is just like one of the first little stops on the trail right here. Yeah guys, we finally made it to Bridal Veil Falls. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Hopefully you can. It's really loud here because of the falls, but it's super, super pretty. I really like it. What do you think, Jesus? It's good. I like it. Yeah, it's really pretty. And we're up on this like top area, so you can see like all the really pretty stuff. You guys can climb. I mean, we're not going to, but if you wanted to, like if you came here, you could technically climb down there. Why is it so blurry? Dang. You can technically climb down there and just see the falls.
Can you swim in there?
I mean, maybe, but like, do you want to swim in there?
Maybe in the summer, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Oh guys, look, they're flying a drone right there. Slow zoom into the drone. Stop. That's so cool actually, that they get to fly a drone over there. We're trying to get to this little wooden shack area now, but you have to go through this little like area that's not as fun to go through, but we're gonna do it anyway. But we're not gonna make it. We can make it.
I think it's slope. Can't really make it down there.
Oh, I mean, what do you think that was for?
I have no idea.
It's cool, I guess.
You think everything was filled up with water?
Maybe. This like tour guide guy, I'm not sure if he was a tour guide, but he was saying that this like area gets like 60, what did he say, like 60 inches of rain? Yeah, and he was like, it's technically a rainforest, so you're standing in a rainforest, so we're in a rainforest. I think that's pretty funny. He also said that these trees, so the trees up here, in this time of season apparently they're not like full grown, so he also said that this is like the least amount of green or like greenery that's here. This is this time of year, so it's March, So that's kind of interesting to know. Okay guys, I think we're gonna, oh, let me just come over here. I think we're gonna end it here. But we had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us. Mostly me because Casey doesn't want to be in the vlog. But I hope you guys enjoy. And we'll see you tomorrow. Can you say bye?
See ya.